True or false? California is the most seismically active state. False. Alaska is the most seismically active state. There's more than 1,000 earthquakes recorded there every single month. And California used to be number 2. That was until 2014, when an unlikely contender slipped into that number 2 slot. Oklahoma. Some of you may be saying, I know why. It's because of fracking or hydraulic fracturing. And that fracking, hydraulic fracturing, does cause some small earthquakes. So hydraulic fracturing is when oil and gas companies will break up the rocks underground in order to get out the oil and gas more easily. And yes, that does cause small earthquakes, but that does not explain the big increase in Oklahoma that started in 2009 and peaked in 2014 and 2015. That was actually a process called wastewater disposal or wastewater injection. So this is where these energy companies will take the liquid byproducts of that oil and gas extraction process and inject it very deep underground, way below aquifers or drinking water or any of the things that we deal with in the subsurface. The problem is that occasionally, if it's in the right orientation, this can kind of lubricate the faults and cause earthquakes to happen. And in fact, in 2014, there were 585 magnitude 3+ earthquakes in Oklahoma and only 200 earthquakes of that same size in California. Well, after there was the big increase in 2014 and 2015, regulations were put in place, and now there's been a significant decline in the number of man-made earthquakes, both in Oklahoma and in other places. So California has regained that number 2 slot. Yay, California!